made a video yesterday about truckers leaving the trucking business, and one of the main reasons they get no respect. Not at all. Not even a Rodney Dangerfield level of respect. So my question is, they're leaving the trucking business. Where are they going? How are they going to make a living? It's not like they were plumbers and decided to drive a truck. They were electricians, carpenters, welders, and decided to drive a truck. They were engineers and office workers, decided to drive a truck. No, they didn't leave those professions, skills to drive a truck. They have no skills. That's why they're driving a truck. Their skill now is driving a truck. So my question is, okay, they're quitting the trucking business. Where are they going to go? They have no skills other than driving a truck. I guess that what they're going to do is work in a warehouse or drive Uber, which is just as bad as driving a truck. But I don't understand. They're quitting, and where are they going?